Drinking 500 ml of lukewarm water immediately after waking up can improve metabolism by up to 24% for the next 60-90 minutes. Adding lemon juice and a pinch of pink Himalayan salt helps balance electrolytes and stimulate digestion. This morning routine sets the stage for effective calorie burning throughout the day. Drinking 1 glass of water 20-30 minutes before a meal can naturally reduce appetite. Appetite reduction from pre-meal water consumption can lead to a 13-15% decrease in calorie intake per meal. Replacing sugary drinks with plain water, sparkling water, or herbal teas further supports calorie reduction efforts. Consuming 250-300 milliliters of water 30 minutes prior to exercise optimizes fat oxidation during the workout. Post-workout, gradual water intake supports muscle recovery and replenishes fluids lost during physical activity. Drinking a glass of warm water before sleep aids overnight digestion and helps prevent late-night hunger cravings.